So to build our level within our platform game, we're going to take a look at using a tile map. Tilemaps allows us to quickly build out a stage without using individual game objects, which would be really resource intensive. And so the best way to do this is to click on Add Object within our Scene Objects here, go to the Asset Store, and navigate to where our platform pack is within the Asset Store. When you find out in the store, you're going to see these different folders. And so we're going to click on Tilemap and choose Tilemap Terrain and add it to our scene. So once we've added it to our scene, we can see it here. And we just click and drag this to our stage. And once we do that, we do get a few options for how we want to paint it. So I like to kind of move it off the camera view here. I do have ability to use just a freehand brush, or I can use a rectangle paint. So rectangle paint may work for maybe these middle sections. As you can see here, as I draw out a rectangle, it will do it just like that. And I can even do the same for here. And that's really quick to build. And if I wanted to build platforms, so I can click and drag across all three, and now I can just move that platform where I think the player will jump. And that's fantastic. If there's other things we want to add to our terrain tile map, we can double click, and we do get the ability to change the hitboxes that are available. So if we select a hitbox, that hitbox will apply. If we deselect, then the hitbox won't apply. What does that mean ultimately? So right now our terrain isn't going to do much, because if our player lands on our terrain, they are just going to fall through. So by clicking on behaviors, we're going to click add a behavior, and we're going to choose platform. And I can choose a different platform, whether it's jump through or ladder, but for this being the ground, we're going to leave it as default and click apply. So now by taking this step, not only have I am designing a level, but now I'm designing what are going to be the platforms in the level. And so I can go forward and continue to create more of the game. So here I'm just going to create another area for the player to land. And the best thing to keep in mind is for now we're going to keep this area within the camera bounds. And I could go outside the camera bounds, so maybe a little bit outside of here just to test the camera movement later. So keep that in mind, as we don't want to go building a whole stage yet. We want to be able to build our game mechanics for our platform game. And when you're done the tile map, you can uncheck the tool over here, and that will prevent you from continuously needing to paint or add to this tile map. So there we go. Now we have explored how to use tile maps. Go ahead and design your initial area for your player to interact with, and we'll see you in the next lesson.